Oh, he's looking at it. He's staring at it. He's staring at it. He picked it up. Got him. Back in and backed off. He's coming back for it. Got him. Oh, he's got it. He's got it. He's got it. Got him. Got him. There's one. Well, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Oh my God, it is hot in here. Hold on one second. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, I am gonna rush the crap out of this intro because I'm going fishing, right? It's crazy. I'm going fishing for first time, I think open water for bass, and I couldn't be more excited. But here's the dealio, right? Here's the situation. Now, it's currently 1:50 in the afternoon, right? And it's like 70 degrees, and then after today, it kind of like plummets to it's like 70 today, and tomorrow it goes back down to like 45, and it stays that way for a while. And there's rain coming in. I thought the rain was coming in late today. There's a 50% chance at like 3:30 or 4, and it's like, I'm gonna get to the spot around 2 or 2:15. So I don't have a lot of time. We were going back to a spot we went to probably about a year ago. It's crystal clear, so I got all bluegill colors. I know there's bluegill in there. I'm sticking natural. I had to put some fluorocarbon leaders on because I can't run straight braid in crystal clear water. It doesn't make any sense. Hope you guys stick along and enjoy today's video. It's a little dark in here, I think. Hopefully this adjusts, but hey, first of all, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I hope I catch some fish. I hope you guys enjoy it. And lastly, I did want to say, guys, thank you so much for all the recent support. I posted a video a couple days ago on my top spring lures. It's doing great because I haven't even posted in a while, so I was not expecting that much support from you guys, but we are actually at 8,200 subscribers right now. You guys are killing it. The road to 10K is on, and we're getting there. We're inching closer and closer every single day thanks to you guys. So thank you so much for supporting the channel nonstop. I'm gonna stop blabbing. I'm gonna stop it, and I'm gonna put the camera down, crank the AC because it's hotter than balls out here, and I'm gonna get to the spot. Guys, let's have a hell of a day. Let's go. All right, well, it's really loud because there's a highway right next to me, but we'll see what we can do. There's a little shaky head thing going on. It's gonna stand up this bandito. I can toss it deep, I can toss it in the shallows and just bounce it there, and a fresh pack of banditos. Ooh, that schlout sauce all over it. It's a good color too, they match, and this should be good. If we can get some bites on this, then boy, we figure out the pattern. If not, then we are screwed and gotta do something else, but we'll see here in a second, right? He's got it, he's got it, he's got it. Got him, on the bandito. Ooh, come on. First fish, possibly. Right away in the bandito, boys. Not even kidding, like third cast. He's stuck on the stick though. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go, boys. First fish of the season. Open water, and it's a largie. Third cast on the bandito bug with that little football jig head. And look at, he chomped it. I'm taking a picture of that. That is so cool. He wanted that, boys. Let's go. Natural color bandito bug. There she goes, and there she goes. Let's go, boys. Let's get some more. This is awesome. We're kind of sight fishing these fish too, which is awesome. We're just letting it sink to the bottom there, and then you'll see one like dart out from the middle of nowhere. It's really cool. I literally saw that whole fight when he picked it up and everything. That was super cool to see. Oh, got him. He picked it up. No way. That's awesome. Saw him just come out of nowhere. We're gonna flip him all the way up the hill. Let's go. Now, by no means, guys, is this one a biggin, but you gotta admit, it's so cool when I just cast it out there and I just see the bandito bug falling, and he comes out of nowhere. Because I mean, I could probably see, I don't know, probably 7 to 10 feet deep right now. This is crazy. I gotta go to my bag so I can get a little underwater release and show you guys just how clear this place is. That's awesome. Not a biggin at all, but whew, that's so exciting. All right, my foot is soaking wet, guys. I'm doing this for you. And there he goes. Fish this cast on the old bandito bug. Time to get her done. An absolute dime piece. Oh God, absolute dime piece of a cast, you see. And we're just gonna slowly hop this bad boy off the bottom. And we better land one because I set up my camera, so that means we better catch a fish. Just gonna give her a little dangle, you know? Hop it off the bottom, a little shaky head action. Love me some shaky heads. There's one. Oh yeah. Woo! Get down, boy. Not big at all. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is how you do it. Another little guy right there. Monster jig, ultra clear water. Doesn't get much better than that. Now, I didn't sight fish this one because I casted it deeper because we're on a point here, but I was just hopping off the bottom like I was when I was sight fishing them. And no hesitation, but he smoked it. There she goes. You know what? We're gonna do it again. We're gonna do it again. Got that new bug on, fresh. Right away, jeez. Came out of nowhere. All right, oh, hold on, he's stuck behind a log. Oh no, don't go in the tree, pal. Doesn't help anyone. Look at that, oh, that's so cool. Right up here, baby, woo! Another one on the bug. Get off this tree. Bug is the drug, guys. I'm telling you, the bug is the drug. It's really good bait. A lot of people love it, and I can see why now. Look how clear this water is. Okay. A couple bass right in front of me. You guys see me? Yeah. Oh, he's looking at it. He's staring at it. He's staring at it. He picked it up. Got him. Oh! That's unreal. That's how easy it is here now. All right, stop. That's how easy it is right there. Another one. On the bandito bug, getting her done. I was just staring at her. She was staring at the bandito bug. We just ripped her. 10-pound day today, 10-pounder, TV. And that is how it's done. See, another tip, if you're doing this in a clear water lake, you gotta stay back because it's clear so they can see you. So I'm very far from the shore, or from the water, sorry. And so these bass don't see me. What they are gonna see is my bandito bug right in the roof of their mouth. Oh, we picked it up. Oh God, jeez. One literally came out of nowhere, picked it up, had it in his mouth, and I just ripped it right out. Man, I thought he had that pretty good. There's so many. Oh. There's three noses. Oh, he just bit it. He bit the back end and backed off. He's coming back for it. Got him. Oh, he's so... Jeez. That's how small he was, dude. And that's how close to the bank it was. Literally just set the hook and the fish came flying out of the water. I'm also stuck in a bush. Let's get this high. He sniffed it first and then picked it up and we just laid into him. That was a little too hard, but there's like 6 more bass right there. That's insane. So, there we go. And there he is. Let's go, baby. That's another fish. There's one. Oh yeah. He's just coming right in. Huh. Let's get him up here. Let's go, baby. That's another one. This is awesome. I'm gonna get another little picture with this guy. We're gonna put her back. Here we go. Look how clear this is. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I had a fantastic time. Now, I didn't catch a big fish at all. Like nothing was big there, right? I didn't see any big fish. I didn't catch any big fish, but boy, did I have a blast. I haven't fished in so long. It just felt so good. You guys know that feeling, right? When you haven't fished forever and you go out there and you just catch some fish. Beautiful weather that's gonna leave, unfortunately, for a little bit, but I mean, you can't beat it. It was so much fun, and I never really fished crystal clear water. It was super cool. Hopefully you guys saw some of the footage. If I filmed it good enough, I'm not too sure. If you guys did enjoy today's video, please smack that big old thumbs up button down below and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to go the extra mile, hit that notification bell. That way, whenever I post a video, you will be notified the second I upload videos, so you'll never miss my content. Because sometimes YouTube is weird, and you might not see my videos if you're subscribed. So hit that notification bell. Once again, thank you so much for watching today's video. I had a blast out there fishing. I'm hoping I can get out soon again. And thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.